guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the Cayci Renee fam. If you're not already subscribed, I feel like you should. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you know, because you're gonna like this video regardless, period. Okay. So in today's video, in case you haven't already read the title, this will be a lash review slash unboxing, and I will be applying the lashes. Disclaimer, this is a sponsored video. I did not buy these lashes with my own money. They were sent to me by the company called Beauty7. All the links will be in the description box down below, so take a look if you're interested. Yeah, so let's just get right into this unboxing. So I received this box in the mail. It came in actually a USPS packaging, so that's who they shipped with. So this black box was inside of that box, and it had a sticker that said Beauty7 on it, and this packaging is so freaking cute. It's black and pink. The paper has Beauty7 written all over it, and then it has this pink and black like confetti paper, you know, the paper confetti strips all in it, which was really cute. So the packaging gets an A+ for me. So inside was a whole lash kit, so that's super exciting. So first were these, I don't remember what these are called, but you use these to remove your lashes with. It also came with these spoolies, these eyelash spoolies. You use these to brush your lashes through. What else did they give me? It also came with this cream remover, which is what you would remove your lashes with if you were to use the actual professional eyelash glue or adhesive. This right here is the Ultra Plus. This is their version of their professional eyelash adhesive. It also came with these curved tweezers, which are my favorite to use when applying lashes. It just gives me a better grip. Also got these 5D volume lashes, which are in a C curl. And my favorite, I got the Easy Fanning lashes. This is in the D curl, 0.07 thickness, and 14 millimeter, which is their longest lengths. So yeah, we're gonna get right on into this application. Okay, so for this application, I will be using the tweezers, the spoolie, and the Easy Fanning lashes. So on the back of the lashes are instructions and basically the product description. So I'm going to read that for you really quickly. So
Beauty7 Easy Fanning lashes are made for creating natural looking fans automatically. There are 3 lengths mixed in 1 row. Pre-bonded roots, can easy volume, auto fan. They are made of single strand of finest Korea synthetic mink eyelashes, which are not only animal friendly and also have the least chance to cause allergic reactions with human skin and eyes. Okay, cool, that's good, we let it hear it. So the product description says the choices trays come in 4 curls, which are J, B, C, and D. This is a D curl. 2 thicknesses, so 0.05 and a 0.07 millimeter, and this is 0.07 millimeter. Yeah. And then 6 lengths, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and mixed. So this is just 14 millimeter. So it says removable rolls. They're black in color and 16 rolls per tray. So good to know.
So now I'm about to just pour my glue. Yeah, I see being so ghetto. Literally, I find anything that's disposable and I just pour my glue on it. I don't care what it is. Normally, it's like a piece of cardstock or something. But I'm just gonna pour this glue out here, right here, like so, like that. So because I already have a detailed lash extension video, I'm going to put that video in the description box down below in case you're watching this video trying to learn how to apply lash extensions on yourself at home. I'm going to show you me applying a few of them on camera, but this video mainly is just a review of these lashes and to show you what the outcome looks like, you know, so, and to tell you guys if I like them. So we just gonna get started. So what you want to make sure first is to wash your hands because you're messing with your eyes. I've already done so, but make sure you wash your hands first, and also make sure that your eyelashes are clean. Please make sure they're clean and free of oil before you start this process. So now we just gonna get started. So what I like to do first is use my spoolie, and I like to just brush out my lashes. So yeah, actually I want to move y'all closer to the mirror, so give me a second. Okay, so in case you guys didn't see well the first time, I'm just brushing my lashes, making sure they're not connected to the bottom because they will. And yeah, also quick disclaimer, because I do them on myself and I'm not using real glue, well, a real eyelash extension glue, I don't isolate my lashes. I'll just, you guys are gonna see what I do. So I'm just going to pull the lash off of the tray, and when you take these lashes off, you want to pull the lashes left and then right, or vice versa, and that's what creates the fan. So this is what, oh my goodness, I don't know if y'all probably can't see it. Okay, I might have to zoom out. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I wish it could focus that close so y'all could see, but this is what the fan looks like. All right, let's get closer. Oops. All right, so let me open it back up. These are actually really pretty fans. Okay, so with the fan, I'm going to put the top layer, okay, I don't know how to explain this. So take my glue, and I'm gonna dip the top portion in the glue. Try not to get the bottom, but it's okay if you don't. Like, if you do, it'll dry fast because of the glue. And what we're gonna do is, let me move the camera over so you guys can see what I'm doing. Damn it. Bring it down a little bit. Let's see. I just want y'all to be able to see, get a good look. So I'm gonna lift my eye up, and I'm just gonna put the lash underneath as close to the end of my eye as possible. So hopefully you guys saw that. I know the angle's trash, but try my best because I don't have my setup. So that's what you're gonna do. And now we're just gonna repeat the process until they're completely full. You know? I'm gonna show you guys again. So grab your lash, make sure you move the lash from left to right so that they can create the fan look. You know. And you could tell that these were like, they made these, like these are good, very good looking. They are very good looking. And they're soft, guys. We do not like hard feeling lashes. Them mugs hurt real bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing again. And put it down there. And then I'm just going to push up at the top, like push up on the bottom to be sure that it's secure. So basically we're just lifting our eyelash up, well, lifting our eyelid up, and okay, we're lifting our eyelid up. Are we focusing? Why not? Okay, we're lifting our eyelid up like this, and then we're just grabbing the lash, sticking it in the glue, the top part of the lash in the glue, and then we're just putting it underneath our underneath our top lash. That's literally it. Now, a better detailed video, I told you I will link in the description box down below. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish these lashes, and then I'll probably come back. And show y'all. Well, not probably. I'm gonna come back and show you guys what the finished result looks like. And yeah. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye, guys. Okay, so I've completed one of the eyes, and as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. So these are super cute. They're very noticeable, and even though they're a natural length, because they're like just a tad bit longer than my actual lash, but these are super cute, and you can definitely tell that you have lashes on. I'm just one of them people who, like, when I get lash extensions, even though they're supposed to look natural, I still be wanting to know, like, I still be wanting to see that I got lashes on, okay? Like, what's the point? But yeah, these are super cute. It's super easy to apply. I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm looking over here. I'm looking at my screen. I should be looking right here. Get it together, Cayci. But yeah, so I'm going to finish the other eye and come back and show you guys the finished product. But so far, so good, girl. Beauty7 lashes. These are bomb. Thanks, y'all. Okay, special shout outs to them. All right, so yeah, let me get back to finishing my lashes, and I will be back later. Okay, guys, so I am done. I am complete. I have finished my lashes, and they look great. They're natural. So if you guys are interested in getting natural lashes, but the easy fanning version, and they're easy to do at home, I suggest you to go and purchase some of their lash supplies. I will have all of their links linked below in the description box so that it's easier for you guys to find their store on Amazon. And so yeah, give this video a like, a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment down below if you liked my lashes and you're thinking about getting them. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll be sure to get back with you as soon as possible. While you're at it, make sure you go follow my Instagram at Cayci Renee. Follow my business page at Pretty and Let's Collection. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.